Hey guys, how is everybody? I'm Varun right here, and today I'm going to teach you Blender animation. So my objective of this video is to teach you to move an object from one place to another, then rotate an object and enlarge the object by animating it. So by the end of the video, I'll also show you how to set a monkey head on fire. So stay tuned and let's get this started. Let's start with the animation process. So first we'll go to the animation tab. Actually, yeah, first we'll press mesh, then put a plane right here, scale it up, take this cube over here, and yeah, now we'll start animating. So first I'll show you how to rotate a cube. So before I start anything, I'll explain you how to do it. On your keyboard you can see a letter I, so press that and this will bring you to certain criterias maybe. So there are there's location, rotation, scaling, location, rotation, location, rotation, scaling, and location, scaling, and rotation, scaling. So it's basically there are different criterias to perform different tasks. So we'll be focusing mainly on these three and on location, rotation, scaling. So in the end of the video I'll also show you how to set a monkey head on fire, or maybe basically any object on fire. So let's start with rotation. So I'll press 1 on my keypad, actually 3 on my keypad, and change the the max keyframe to 30 and click on I and rotation. So this will lock the current position of the cube, the current angle. Now click on rotate, then X and maybe 30. Actually rotate X and rotate a bit, then press command Z, go to display, change the keyframe to 5, press rotate, then X and rotate it a bit and press I and rotation, then go to 10, then R, X and do the same thing until you reach 30. It doesn't matter how many times you rotate the cube. Shift C. I don't know why it isn't working. Okay. And 30. RX. Rotate it a bit. Rotation. So now I'll play the animation. As you can see, the cube is rotating. Oh, sorry. So it's just the basics right now, and in the end I'll show you how, like, the combination of all three. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see how to move a cube, like displace a cube from one place to another. So I'll just start a new one, a mesh plane, and scale it a bit, take this up 3, take this over here, 1 and take this over here. So as you can see, we're in the very, it's too much. I want to keep it on top of the plane. It should be good enough. So in this I'll show you how to take a cube like in this route, from this place to this place, then then this over here and back to the original position. So go to the animation window, click on the cube, press location, I'll change the end frame to maybe 80. So that should be good. Then I'll go to frame number 20 and I'll shift my cube all the way on this side and press I and location. Then I'll click on 40, bring my cube all the way over here and press location. Then 60, get the cube over here, I location, and then I'll take the cube, I'll click on 80, then I'll take the cube back to start, I location. So the reason we are pressing location again and again is because we want to lock the location, the position of the cube when we move it from one place to another. So I'll play the animation for you. So as you can see, the cube's moving like that. Ooh. So these are just the basic animation techniques. Now I'll show you how to enlarge a cube or maybe reduce the size of the cube just by animating it. So mesh, plane, scale it up a bit. I'll get the cube somewhere over here maybe, and I'll just reduce the size of the cube. That's tiny, so that's good enough. I'll go to the animation panel, change the max keyframe to 50 maybe. You can keep it as long as you want to. Then press scaling. This will lock the current size of the object. So now I'll shift this to 10 maybe, scale it up a bit and press scaling. Then I'll go to 20, scale it up a bit, then I'll press scaling, then 30, scale it up a bit, scaling, then 40, I'll scale it down a bit, scaling, then 50, I'll scale it down even more, and scaling. So when you play the animation, it's like that. Basically enlarging the cube and then reducing the size again. So guys, those are the 3 basic animation you can perform in Blender, and now I'll show you the combination of all 3. So I'll start a new file, mesh, then plane, scale this up a bit. I'll take this, what I'm thinking is I'll take this over here, like it is. Oh, that's too much again. I'll move it from here to here, increasing the size and rotating the cube. Then from this place to this place, reducing the size and rotating the cube, and like that until it reaches back to its starting position. So let's try that. Animation window. I will keep the max frame as 100 maybe, or yeah, 100. That should be good. So I'll press I, then location, rotation, scale. So you want to lock the location of the cube, the current position of the cube, and the current size. So now I'll go to frame 25. No wait, actually I'll go to keyframe 10. I'll get this a bit ahead, rotate it on x-axis a bit, and scale it up a bit. So press location, rotation, scale 10, get a bit ahead, rotate it on x-axis. Oh, that's too much. then scale it up a bit, then rotation location scale 15, and do the same process until I reach 25. Actually, I'll make the end part 180 to not make it too slow, and I'll rotate it a bit on x-axis. Actually, this much should be good. Scale it down a bit and location rotation scale. So let's see how it looks so far. As you can see, it rotates, it is moving, and it is enlarging at the same time. So that's the combination of all three. Now we'll complete the animation as quickly as possible. So So guys, here I'm done with the thing. I'll just show you how it looks. So yeah. So it is a bit weird. I've not like done a proper measurement of scaling and rotation, but this is the just a rough idea of how to combine all three of the animations to make it look like this. So as promised before, I'll show you guys how to set a monkey head on fire, or maybe any other object if you want to set. So I'll show you two objects, maybe monkey head and a donut. So let's see. Now I'll show you how to set a monkey head on fire. So I'll quickly delete this cube right here, mesh, go to mesh and select on monkey, and bring it up, scale it up a bit, rotate it on z-axis by 90, and yeah, bring it to the side view, press 3 on a numpad for the side view. And now maybe I should give it a bit of texture, so I'll get it to brown color, maybe something. Yeah, that looks good. It's like a wooden monkey. And now to animate it as a fire, like there's fire blowing up on its head, press space, type smoke, and select on quick smoke animation right here. It's basically a simulation which creates fire all around the object, or basically smoke. So I'll tell you how to create fire. Before doing that, we might want to extend the box over here so that it's a bit longer. So tab, extrude, and that much should be good enough. Tab again, select, yeah. Now we'll select the, okay, now I'll play the animation. So as you can see, that's a monkey head on smoke. Now I'll show you how to place a monkey head on fire. So select the monkey head, actually select the monkey head only, go to the physics part right here, and you see this flow type, change it from smoke to fire plus smoke. And now if we play it, not quite sure. Oh, I don't know why that happened. Oh yeah, there you go. Maybe that was a glitch or something, but so guys, basically that is a monkey head on fire. Now if you want to animate it even more for rotating it or something, don't worry, just go to animation panel and think about what I taught you. So select the monkey head, press, wait, on 50 maybe, you could rotate it on Z axis from by 90, then on 100 rotate it on, oh sorry, I forgot to lock the rotation rotation, then rotate it on Z axis again by 9. No, before doing that, I always forget this. Then on 150 maybe I can rotate it even more, and rotation, and then 200 I could rotate it back to normal, and rotation. So now if we go to the 3D view, oh sorry, the default panel, you can see it's rotated. Wait a second. You can see the monkey head rotating. Now if, as I told you, you can even set a donut on fire. Go to new, delete this object, mesh, place a donut, create a torus, scale it up, and spacebar, quick smoke, and there you go, there's a simulation of quick smoke on it. Go to the physics panel. Guys, that's a donut on fire. And guys, if you guys like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below for any queries or anything you wish to tell to us. So see you guys next time.